morning. Hi, it's Pam, and welcome back to Pam's Blog Vibes. I'm Pam, and I'm so excited to be on today to give you guys a new video. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, what you got going on looking like this? I got my bonnet on, but I'm going to be taking this off. I'm going to get ready for the day, and then we're going to get into the day. I got a couple of things that I need to be doing. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing some deep cleaning in the kitchen. As you can see, I'm going to be cleaning the microwave, the dishwasher. I got a couple of items, a couple of dishes in the sink. I need to put some dishes away. And so I'm going to be wiping down the countertops, the cabinets, dusting. So yeah, that's some of the things I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be putting some of my stock up items away. I have stock items here. I'm going to be putting that away. We're going to be cleaning out the refrigerator. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. And so that's what we're going to be doing in the kitchen today. And then I have these things that I did pick up, some more stock items. They need to be put away. But first we're going to get some sunlight going. So I'm going to be opening the blinds. Let some of the sun in. And that's a whole lot better. Whole lot better. And so let's get into this day. I did finish the kitchen and it came out nice and neat and clean. Let me show you all that I have done. When I tell you I was busy today, I was busy today. So let's check it out. So I did do the countertops as well as the seats, and I did clean that very well. I did the microwave, clean the inside and the outside. I always add a drop or two of peppermint oil or lemon essential oil to my cleaning solution to give it that good clean smell. I did do the dishwasher. I don't use the dishwasher, but we want to make sure it's clean and smelling good as well. I did the sink is nice and neat. I did do the cabinets because what? We got a lot of fingerprints on the cabinet, so they were all wiped away. And I did do the stove inside as well as outside. I did the top of the cabinet. I did do behind the stove as well to give it a nice beginning, a fresh spot to be in. I did do the refrigerator top and bottom, and it is looking great, looking good. I did do the floors. I swept and mopped the floors and they are smelling peppermint fresh. So I am all done with the kitchen. It is a job well done, and I am going to end the video here. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Until the next video, bye.